days after it was painted, it was ruined.
The mural outside Tenren T was restored by the artist. But the tagger who was captured on Evie's surveillance in May 2022, defacing the cultural asset days after it appeared in Chinatown as part of efforts to revitalize the neighborhood, will not face any charges.
I think it's really disappointing because we caught the individual red-handed on camera.
Hey man, I just want to ask you, why did you graffiti Tenren Tea House?
Days later, Bradley Spence confronted a man he believed to be the suspect.
I really don't know what you're talking about.
We have you on video.
Wearing similar attire with the same distinct hair and the same dog in tow.
I just want to know why. Why did you do it?
Vancouver police forwarded the file to Crown Counsel in July 2022. The BC Prosecution Service says the evidence, including video, was reviewed, and the prosecutor concluded the charge assessment standard was not met.
You couldn't possibly have more evidence to apprehend this individual or charge this individual, and they just chose not to.
These are the types of crimes, unfortunately, that fall through the cracks.
Former prosecutor Dhanu says Crown must consider whether it's in the public interest and if they can prove the case if it goes to trial. Here, the prosecutor concluded that there was no substantial likelihood of conviction.
I think the problem here is when we look at the video surveillance evidence, we have at best a side profile shot of an individual in the dark. He's wearing a hat, and we simply cannot see what he looks like in terms of his face.
Yeah, it definitely stings a lot. In the end, I'm happy that I reamed the individual out.
You're hurting people. Think about that next time you deface people's property, man.
Spence says the suspect, whom we are not identifying, eventually caved.
Tell me why and I'll leave you alone.
Low-life scum, I guess.
You definitely are a low-life scum.
At least as a citizen, I can give him an earful.
Kristen Robinson, Global News.